In this video, we're going to set the trusses on our barn. Look at this nice little tree. And now it's tipped over.
An unexpected snow overnight paused our progress. Good thing our trusses were covered up. Now we just need to take them back and set them on our walls. The gable end trusses still needed sheathed.
Trusses painted and ready to install.
Trusses are staged and ready for install. Dad and his friend got all these trusses put up. The rear gable end truss took a little more creativity to get into place.
even check out this detail. It looks like a house on top. It was cut on both sides. Now we just need to figure out how to get him up there.
I was really impressed by Ellen's help moving up and down the ladder. First time in the loft, but watch your step. There's enough floor.
I think our roof is coming out really well. Thanks for watching. Bye.
I think my dad misunderstood me. He thought we were building a goat barn, but I said toad barn. I hope you have enough